wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. First video of the year, first foundation that we are trying out this year. I told you guys in one of my last two videos that I uploaded that I picked up this little bad boy here. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Chanel, well, it's supposed to be that type of foundation. I don't know if they were exactly trying to dupe Chanel, but if you guys want to know what I'm talking about, let's go. So this is the Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence Foundation. She retails for $21.49. I'm so sorry, I wasn't expecting that when I saw that it was a Covergirl foundation. I know like inflation, all that stuff, but $20 for a drugstore foundation. However, if it is a Chanel dupe, Chanel is $70, which also I believe I bought Chanel for like 60 something. So that has also increased in price. So if it can be a dupe for that, I'd rather the 20 than the 6. I mean, I'm still buy the Chanel, but y'all know what I'm talking about. It comes in 8 shades. I believe I got it in the deepest shade. Did I get you in the deepest shade? What shade are you? Is that this one? No, that's this one. Okay, I got it in the second to last shade, which is Rich. I feel like we should be good today. So, oh, listen, that first video, like first year, you haven't been like posting like that. You got to get back to, because I didn't even tell you about the foundation. So the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence Foundation is a vegan skincare makeup hybrid formulated with 0.5 on the screen there, a plant-based retinol alternative perfect for sensitive skin. The skin plumping formula reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and increases skin's firmness. Okay, let's see if there's any how to use. Blend between fingers or with a brush to activate tinted micro droplets and then apply to face. Wear alone or with your favorite foundation as a skin perfecting primer. Okay, I realized afterwards I hadn't filled in my brows, so did that real quick. Y'all already know Danessa is going to be the primer that we test this out with. Blend that out really quick. All right, y'all, let's see how this goes. I don't hear, it's not watery, at least I don't hear any. Let's see. Oh, okay, that's one pump. Pretty much looks like the Chanel. Let's do like another half. Okay, so mix that up. I've had to do 2 pumps, we'll see. Smells like car oil. That probably is not appealing to y'all, but I'll be letting y'all know what it smells like to me. Okay, wait a minute, hold on. I did another little layer on this side compared to that side. This is what it looks like on my, am I centered? I'm not centered. This is what it looks like on my face. Okay, so I want to go finish doing the rest of my face, right? I've already put concealer on. Is it just me? Baby, look how this is, look how my skin, look how, okay. Do you see my face? Do you see my face? I don't think,
Look at Covergirl, you ain't had no business. They said, baby, we're gonna raise the price, but we're gonna give you something that you like after we do it. Because, excuse me? Look at the finish on. Okay, so it's 1 on the dot. So I'm going to go, I will check in midday, and then I will come back later on tonight so I can give you my thoughts. But baby, bitch. Okay, y'all, so it is, oop, come on. It is 3:22 in the afternoon. This is my face looks like. It's only a couple hours after I left, but I'm doing, you know, midday check-in. I kind of left later in the day. It's hitting that point where the makeup actually settles into your face, like it's cooked, it's baked. Now, who gave them the right? Who told, you know, I might have to eat that $20. I mean, it's $21 because, excuse me. So, and mind you, it's only been 2 hours, 2 hours and 22 minutes. But baby, I was putting up a fight for my life. Okay, I'm going somewhere real quick, so I had to put an outfit on, and it just wasn't outfitting. Like the outfit wasn't fitting. So I literally have had to take a shirt on and put one off 7 times. So over my face, I had to put the, you know, the sheet over my face, all that stuff, and my face still look. Okay, so I'll be back to give you my thoughts on this one, but I feel like you already see where this is going. Okay, I am back. It is 7:02, and this is what my face looks like. This is what my face looks like. Covergirl done gave y'all a $70, no. Covergirl done gave y'all a $20 dupe for a $70 foundation. Now, I know the $20 got me looking like, where are we going? Where are we going? Where is inflation going if we now have to pay $20 for a drugstore? But baby, this $20, that's worth it, okay? Instead of getting that beauty blender again, go ahead and get you this foundation because, excuse me, I don't recall it saying it's supposed to be like mattifying or anything like that. I think it's actually supposed to do like the opposite, like give you a glow or a natural finish, something like that. But look at the wear on this. This is still giving, you know, it's baked, it's settling in, you know, when makeup starts blending in with your skin for that like natural finish instead of the product looking very, you know, you just put powder all over your face. And we're like 6 hours in at this point. Yeah. And y'all know I like that Chanel foundation because I just told y'all that is the only foundation out of the years that I've been using foundation that I actually finished the bottle. Had to go buy another one, but wait, look at this $20 dupe. I will say the only difference that I see between the two is that I feel like this slightly has a little bit more coverage than Chanel. I feel like if you want like skin, you know, you could just like put it on if you have redness that you're trying to cover up, anything like that, put that on and go about your business. That's what Chanel's going to give you. This is a little closer to like medium coverage, but it's not medium coverage. It's still a sheer coverage. And also this is like 2.5 pumps. So you can definitely control how much you want, but I feel like straight out of the bottle, this is just a hair more coverage than Chanel. But other than that, yeah, I feel like I used Chanel to do my face today. Like, I'm actually thrown. I don't remember the last time a drugstore foundation has impressed me like this. Probably NYX Born to Glow. And if you're asking me like this or NYX Born to Glow, I might have to give it to Covergirl because yeah, they did that. They did that big one with this one. The rest of the line needs to be go back to them Covergirl prices I'm used to, but this, yeah, it's worth the $21 if you guys want to go check it out. But yeah, I didn't have any issues with like transfer or anything like that. I did go out to eat, so I don't even know if my lip is still on. If you do, I was eating. So, but other than that, literally no complaints. I am going to be using this again and again. I have a trip coming, so I like the packaging for this because it's gonna be easy to just throw in my travel bag and go. Yeah. Yeah, how much are you getting this? 1 fluid ounce? I don't remember how much you get with the Chanel, but yeah. So if you guys want to see what this looked like, here's some of my thoughts. Absolutely positively, we are starting the year out strong when it comes to foundations, because I am literally